Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. My name is Bonnie Leonardo, and I am your host. Today's topic is one that I have covered in a previous video, and it's in regards to alimony or spousal support. I am doing another video on this topic because I've had a couple of questions that have come up numerous times now, and I thought maybe it would be a good idea to address them in a video so it's easily accessible for those with these questions. To begin with, let's talk about what spousal support is. Spousal support and alimony, they're called different things. They mean the same thing. It's basically just financial support that is given to the spouse who is either financially unstable or unemployable. Spousal support allows the lower wage earning spouse to maintain the same standard of living that they had while married. It can help the lower earning spouse to obtain a new degree or specialized training to become financially independent or to raise their earning capacity. Or it can give that spouse just a little bit of a short-term assistance in restructuring their new life after a divorce. One of the questions that I get asked about alimony or child support is it better to do a lump sum or a monthly payment? Normally, spousal support is awarded on a monthly payment basis, but in some instances, it is awarded as a lump sum payment. There are advantages and disadvantages to both. One of them being that if you opt to make a payment in a lump sum amount, once that payment has been made, you cannot modify that payment later. So if you do a monthly payment or receive a monthly payment, you can always modify that payment based on increased need or lack of ability to continue to make the same amount. There are different things that you need to take into consideration when deciding whether to do a lump sum or a monthly payment or receive a monthly payment. And so I encourage you to sit down with an attorney and discuss what advantages or disadvantages might play into your particular situation. The second question that I get also is, how long does alimony or spousal support last? And this is determined by the ability of the spouse to pay and by the spouse's need. So there is no specific rule in Nevada or no specific formula or statute that directs or mandates how spousal support is to be awarded. So every case is uniquely different. The judges will look at every situation to determine the need versus the ability to pay, as I stated. And so it could depend on the length of time of the marriage, like I said, the spouse's need, the spouse's ability to pay, and it's also case by case specific that, again, you need to sit down with an attorney to go over your specific case to see what is best for you. Normally speaking, generally, broadly speaking, it is said that the judges award alimony if we have a marriage that has been 10 years or longer, and generally they give you alimony or award alimony for half the time of the marriage. But I have seen cases where there have been a short marriage of less than a year and alimony has been awarded. And I have seen cases where the marriages have been 15 or more years and no alimony has been awarded. So it's important for you, as I said, to talk to an attorney about alimony because of the lack of guidance, being that there is no law, there's no statute, there's no formula. So the judges have to look at the overall picture of your particular situation. One thing that I can tell you for certain, though, is that spousal support / alimony will end if the receiving spouse gets remarried or upon the death of either their awarding spouse or receiving spouse. So there is that certainty when it comes to the spousal support. That's about all the certainty that I can give you with that. If you have questions about alimony / spousal support and you want to discuss just your particular situation to see what would benefit you, please don't hesitate. Go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com, and I'll be more than happy to sit down with you to discuss your particular situation and what you can and cannot expect as far as alimony payments are concerned. And as always, I'd like to thank you for tuning in and watching, and I will see you next time.